Nithyanandam. I came here 3 years ago in 2007. I had wheezing problem since childhood. But 3 years ago, after I met Swami and took healing from him and meditated, I was completely cured. I was in great depression as well, and I have not had a good life either. I was in great depression. Only after coming to Swami, I got a complete solution. It is only in these 3 years' time that I have been so relieved from my troubles and became a soft skill trainer. In women's schemes as well as in the government, I am working as a trainer today. If I am so blissful and fulfilled till today, it is only because of Swami, only because of our Nithyananda Swami. I am so blissful today, Nithyanandam. Because he is back, I am in tremendous bliss today. We have been worshipping him as a divine goddess. There has not been a single day we didn't pray for his return. Today, upon seeing him, we are in great bliss. I can say tremendous bliss. My level of joy, happiness and fulfillment has become even more.